First ball goes to long pass to wala. Wala, and power rebound by the muscleman Mendoza. Abishag, nice fake. And Dominic Carte, jumper. Yes. And now jersey number 21, drive, and now jersey number 3. And now intercepted, a pass back opportunity. Yes sir, time para sa atong first period. 15 to shoot. And now Mendoza, power move, jumper, short. And now a pass back opportunity. And now Mendoza, jumper, wala. And now pass back na naman Abisha. Abisha to jersey number 0. And 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Warning for dealing the game. And now, and now Morado. Morado, jersey number 3. 15 to shoot. Ubinayaw, 10 to shoot. And intercepted, a turnover. Long pass to Abisha. 3, revealing time. Ano kill of the traffic. Dominic Carte. Abisha, first attempt. Yes, a bucket. Second free throw. Prepare for rebound. Wala. And now grabs the ball by Binayaw to Morado. And now Morado. Arivalo jumper. Wala pa rin. Hindi pa umiinit itong si Mr. Arivalo. Serhuela. And 7 seconds. 7 against 2. Jumper by Morado, wala. And now grabs the ball by Rambuyon. Ito Romeo na naman. No look pass to Herhuela. And Herhuela jumper wide open pero wala. And 2 seconds. And now jersey number 25, Dominic Carte to Mendoza, pass to Morado. Two minutes remaining time. 15 to shoot. And now Arivalo to Morado. Atake and almost intercept. Pass to Arivalo again. Jumper short again. And now Abisha. Pass to Romeo. Grabe itong si Abisha. And a turnover. Jumper by Abisha. Yes, and 19. Arivalo. Jersey number 25. Arivalo. Reserve timeout. Ang KBC. Wide open for 3. Morado, wala. And now and almost intercepted. Jumper, wala. And now Manukin. Pass to Romeo. Last 45 seconds. Romeo and Herhuela. 15 to shoot. Binayaw. Last 10 seconds. Open jumper, wala. 5 seconds. What a nice play, pero 2 seconds, 2.5. Itong si jersey number. Great pass inside, but no good. And now, to Quezon. Quezon umatake. Pass to jersey number 1. And a turnover. Orapa to. And now, no good. Sabing takuhan. Quezon. Pass inside to De La Rita. A black shot. A pass break opportunity by the CBC.
Oy, let's your turn.
And nakuha ni Quezon. Pass to jersey number 1. Pinalik kay Quezon. To Santa Rita. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 4. Attack. Wala. I-put back to Santa Rita. Wala pa rin. Another opportunity. To jersey number 1. And adverse for the team.
City. City man siya.
And another turnover. Libre. Sinigurado na talaga. And now, a foul na naman for the team. And to jersey number 16. Open jumper. Yes, sir. And now, a pass back na naman, jersey number 1, pass to Santa Rita, umaatake to Sabana, catering services. 13, announce na ito ganyan, 13. And, rebound by jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 1, jersey number 1, umaatake, intercepted. And now, a pass break opportunity, side step, layup, but no good. Another rebound by jersey number 16 to Quezon. Quezon short. Santa Rita. Another opportunity. And Urapa grabs the ball. And now Quezon to Santa Rita. Attempt for 3. Wala. And now Urapa. Urapa racing on the floor. Jersey number 21 umatake against Quezon. Yes, sir! And now, Quezon to Sabana. 15 to shoot. Great pass inside, pero great back sa 16. And now, great pass. 15 seconds. Lucanov. 10 to shoot. Jumper, short. Hari ng rebound itong si jersey number 16. And now Quezon. Pass to jersey number 1 to jersey number 16. Jumper. Wala. Power rebound by jersey number 64 to Orapa. 3 minutes remaining time for the second period. 15 to shoot. And a foul by Sabana. And now Orapa, jersey number 21. To jersey number 0. Open jumper. Wala pa rin.
Habog mong ring ni rin. Habog kulay ngayon.
And now Santa Rita, long pass to Sabana. To jersey number 1 and
Diri.
And Mr. Pretro by jersey number.
Hapit ni magdusi oy, 11 kape ni.
Oh, Bayo. First attempt, wala. Second one, yes, 6.
Ay, tantan! 16 na ba?
Jumper, yes, sir. 2 points. And now Santa Rita, 8 against 16. Santa Rita, attack. And now, Ducaliano. Jersey number 5. Ducano. Alyare.
Ah, sure kid.
Wala. Bayo for the rebound and there's a